Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be burning this BB gun magazine or airsoft gun magazine with a powerful laser. Let's see if it can poke a hole straight through it. I'm going to turn the laser on. I'm going to slowly bring it into the beam. See if I can get it to cut through. Is it working? Whoa, look at that. It just burst all the way through. I'll shift it over again and see how long it takes to drill through again. It's going through, it's burning, and it's through. Took a few seconds, but I managed to get it to go all the way through. I'm going to see if I can get it to go through lengthwise. I'm going to put this here. Look at it go. That is a powerful laser. Not the most powerful laser I've seen, but it's very powerful. It's pretty strong. Oh, there we go. Burst through the first wall. And it's all the way through lengthwise. Look at that smoke. There's just smoke flying out the back of it there. I'm going to turn this off and just look at the damage. Let's see, I can't see anything. You can see there's two little holes that have been poked straight through there, and one little hole that's gone all the way through there. Went through both sides. Now I'm going to see if I can burn the bottom, a hole through the very bottom of it. Just a second, I'll turn it back on again. There we go, that's the really thick part of the magazine. So it'll be interesting to find out whether or not it can burn through there. Oh, look at it go, look at that beam. That is a nice blue beam. And then if I just shuffle it over, see if I can make another hole. Can see, whoa, that's bright. Look at it burn. There's so much light coming out of that thing. I wonder what it looks like from this side. I don't want to burn the lens out of the camera, so I'm not going to get too close. It's a pretty strong laser. Anyway, that was me burning a airsoft gun magazine with a laser.